Chucky Sue.
Charlie.
Hey, baby girl. No, you're looking at the other kids. Hey, you're supposed to look on the road when you're driving.
Nah.
It's still there, huh? Oh, gotta go check this one.
No, I found a bolt here in the middle.
Gotta look out the window.
Oh, can I look out this door?
Well, there's all these kids here.
You want down? No? Okay.
Hi. Where are you taking us? Okay, Charlotte, you say bye-byes? Charlie. Charlie. Kiddo, you're cute. Okay, bye-bye.